Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Sugar. Here is looking out at the pond at the Spillway. We had an inch or so of rain last night, and so our Spillway is running a little bit heavier than normal. I think this is the first time we've actually brought the camera over here to kind of film the actual upper spill part of the spillway, where it comes off. This is what is considered the upper part of the falls. There's actual kind of 3 waterfalls in here. You can kind of see this one, and it fills into that foam pit. See if I can't get walked all the way back around this thing. Whew. There's Red going with me. Here's the creek that kind of runs, or the dry creek that runs around the east side of the pond. It comes in from another hauler. One day we'll kind of walk up to where it fills in at. Probably not today, it'll be a muddy mess up that way. And down here's back in the spillway. There's that, look up at it. Look at all that foam coming off, came off that pond. You kind of see what caused the change of the flow on the last spillway, which helped create what spillway we have now. And then, see if I can do this without killing myself. Here's the look at the spillway from above the second fall. There's Red running down the old spillway. It cut across, and then shot into over there. Kind of see it, and then down there where our intro is in is the last set of, I guess there'll be another little fall, little footstep right there by that wall, that root coming across. There's a little footstep. So I guess there's technically 4 waterfalls in this thing. But that is our spillway, and she is running. I actually almost had water go over my boots walking down that. So it is flowing pretty good when normally it just goes over the toe. So what a rainstorm last night.